What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So, President Trump was elected, president-elect, praise God. So the bull market will be quite different than if Kamala Pooper Pants got elected, but of course she got dominated, exactly as I predicted. So this is great for the crypto market. We're already starting to see a bounce. So this changes things in the short term as well as in the long term. Currently, we're sitting at 0.02046. We're down 0.35 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 640 million, 24 volume, 76 million. So now let me pop up BTC. Just hit a nice gold trade that I gave a signal for in the Discord. But we'll pop over BTC. We'll go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, so instead of an ABC correction, it looks more likely we'll see a straight breakout because Trump got elected, and we instantly saw a pump because everybody knows how good he will be for the American economy, which will rise the stock market, which will rise crypto. So we may see a little bit of pullback and push up in a wave 3 that will take Bitcoin all the way to 90K. If that does happen, you're going to see Gala Games do what's called a bear trap, fake out to the downside. This is a wave 1 ABC correction down into a 2, and then you're going to push up in a wave 3 to 0.03568, and my break even is at 0.033 for my good friend Gala. So we have the wave 1, wave 2 pullback. If we can push back up into the wedge, that's your first sign that you're going to see continuation, just like this bear trap. Ha ha ha. Kamala Harris is going back to McDonald's, and then you push back up into the pattern and bounce all the way up to 0.03568. Of course, it will take time. It won't. Well, it can happen overnight in a bear and a bull market. But in the short term, we need to push back up into that pattern first. We have this beautiful inverse head and shoulders. So if we can come up and break the neckline at 0.0241, then we can see a nice breakout that should take us up into the 3-cent range. Right off that neckline, yeah, it'll take you all the way up to 0.0366, which is extremely juicy. So that's what I'm looking for. First, look for that break back into the pattern for confirmation that this is a bear trap and Kamala is going back to work at McDonald's, and then we can see that continuation up to 0.03568. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. This is one of the few exchanges where you can trade futures. It's also great for investing, and you don't need a KYC or VPN, including in the US and Canada, and it's very hard to find a good exchange in the US and Canada. Sign up through my link. It's in the top of the comments, and you get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. Sign up to my Discord. It's free. Click the link in the comments for my daily crypto analysis, my crypto trades. We hit a beautiful TP on gold, and we have almost 3,000 members in the Discord. All links down below. Go check it out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.